everyone! Welcome to my vlog, especially to those people nga mga viewers karon sa akong video. As if kung naaman, welcome di ay.
So good afternoon everyone. I am Brian Manggubat, BIT, first year student of GSAC MS Ineryo Canuto Campus. So I am here to recite the GSAC Vision and GSAC Mission. GSAC Vision: leading public higher education institution serving the Asian community with quality, innovative, and culture-sensitive program. Mission: provides need-based tertiary and advanced programs in agriculture, education, and allied fields. Undertake applied research, extension, and production services that yield workable and doable solutions to sector-specific challenges, thus improving the socio-economic well-being of identified communities.